Hello all, welcome back to the classes. Today we shall discuss about noise margin. Before taking you people to the noise margin definition, I just want you people to go through these pictures. Observe these pictures very carefully. We have something called as signal and we have something called as noise. When we add this noise with signal, the signal will become like this. Generally, we cannot avoid noise because in any electronic circuit, in any electrical circuit, in any general electronic circuits, there will be the effect of some electrostatic charges. There will be some effect of magnetic field. There will be some effect of electric field. There will be some effect of electric field due to current flowing in a conductor. So all those effects will act like noise signals to the other electronic circuits. Or simplifying this, I can say noise is any unwanted signal. What is noise? Noise is any unwanted signal. It may be any signal but which is unwanted. Noise may be any signal which is unwanted. That can be called as noise signal. Okay. For example, I'm explaining you some part of the answer or one of the definition. With the explanation, you people have some of the sounds around me. Okay. For example, that fan running out in the top, right? So such noise when it gets added to the signal, which we cannot avoid. Most of the times we will be able to avoid, but some situations we will not be able to avoid the noise. But we should have something called as noise margin. What do you mean by here comes the picture of noise margin? Here comes the concept of noise margin. So noise margin is that amount of noise you can definitely add with the signal. You can definitely add with the signal so that the circuit performance, the digital electronic circuit performance does not get affected. The output is going to be same and a respective output is going to be available because of applying some amount of noise. Though you apply some amount of noise, it is not going to affect the output of the digital electronic circuit, and that amount of noise which you can definitely add with the signal so that the circuit performance does not get affected is what we call it as noise margin. Let us go to the definition and try to understand the same. Okay, so here he says noise margin represents the maximum noise signal that can be added to the input signal without affecting its output. Okay, noise margin of any digital electronic circuit, any logic gate, you can state it as the noise margin is the noise signal that you can add it up with the input signal without affecting the output of the digital electronic circuit. Here the word "its" represents to or refers to the digital electronic circuit. Okay, here I have one more picture for you people so that it would be easy for you people to understand. Here we shall consider a digital electronic circuit. This digital electronic circuit is given some input. Okay, so what we are going to do, one more thing with this input, is we are going to add up some amount of noise along with the input signal. Okay, we are going to add some amount of noise along with the input signal, wherein the overall input is going to have some traces of noise, some amount of noise signal along with the input signal. Though we add some amount of noise along with the input signal, the circuit output should not be affected. the circuit output should not be affected. You must be able to get the same output out of the circuit without noise. What output you are going to get? The same amount of output, or same order of output you must be able to get even after adding the noise. Even after adding the noise. Even after adding the noise. And this is what we call it as, this ability of a digital electronic circuit to give you the same output even after adding the noise is what we call it as noise margin of the digital electronic signal. That is why he says that noise margin is the maximum noise that can be added without affecting the output of the digital electronic circuit is called as noise margin. Without affecting the output is called as noise margin. This is what the explanation regarding the noise margin. Hope you people understood. If you have any doubts, you people can definitely ask me in WhatsApp.